Ruku is the immediate former Member of Parliament from Beren North constituency in the National Assembly of Kenya. He is an accomplished political leader and financial professional. Honorable Ruku holds a Bachelor of Commerce degree in Business Administration from the Catholic University of East Africa, a postgraduate diploma in Diplomacy and International Relations, and a Master of Business Administration. You may now proceed to the swearing-in arena.
I, Geoffrey Kiringa Ruku, being appointed a Cabinet Secretary of Kenya, do swear that I will at all time be faithful to the Republic of Kenya, that I will obey, respect, and uphold this Constitution of Kenya and all the laws of the Republic, that I will well and truly serve the people of the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Cabinet Secretary, that I undertake to hold my office as Cabinet Secretary with honor and dignity, that I will be a true and faithful counselor to the President for the good management of the public affairs of the Republic of Kenya, that I will not divulge directly or indirectly such matters as shall come to my knowledge in the discharge of my duties and committed to my secrecy, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as Cabinet Secretary. And I will perform my functions of my office conscientiously and to the best of my ability. So help me God.
With Your Excellency's gracious approval, I now present the 14 appointees designated to serve the Republic as Principal Secretaries. Sir, to commence the role of Principal Secretaries, I now call upon Dr. Jane Kere Imbunya, Principal Secretary, Designate State Department,